It's Wednesday, the 28th of May. It's currently 9:34 a.m. I'm gonna head to the gym first, and then I got my first clients at 12 p.m. and then I'm working till about 5:30 p.m. something like that. But yeah, hit the gym first. I didn't go to the gym yesterday, unfortunately. I had a busy-ish day. Let's get on with today.
Balotelli, ladies taking me photo. Paparazzi, Don Julio, Don Diami, Egumedo, Lao, Ni Pestas Lao, Azametra Lao, Ne, Lao, Egumedo, Lao, Ni.
Done at the studio. It's currently 8 p.m. Back here again tomorrow at 9:30. Good morning. It's Friday the 30th of May. Another busy day at the studio. Currently working from 9:45 a.m. till about 7 p.m. My first client's at 9:45, so it's currently 9:26 a.m. and I'm heading my way to the studio. I don't know if I'll be able to go to gym tonight. Probably not. But yeah, come along with me to the studio for another busy day.
No go give to Caesar what belongs to Otoku. All this you at all. The money over their love. Money no like cha. Oh, only movie Gaza. All in no man abroad. Yeah, massa, mama. Never still chance you for your dog.
Egumedo, Lao, Ni Pestas Lao, Azametra Lao, Ne, Lao, Egumedo, Lao, Ni Pestas Lao, Azametra Lao, Ni, Lao, yeah, Lao, yeah, Lao, yeah, Lao, yeah. Cause all the way I see me, because all the way I talk it to me, yeah. Think you see me the streets of Opa, you see me the streets of Sapler, you see me Ugo, you see me tell Joshua, you can talk to me like this. Yeah, I'll be your wow. Real one, so wait, Minister of Enjoyment. It's a continental, monumental. Go live forever. Drop another back out. I demand there must be meta. Smoke is Zaza. Let me can't forget your mother.
Right, nice and short day today. It's currently 2:30 and we are done. Gonna get some lunch and then head to the gym for a workout, and then it's off to a restaurant for some meal with some football friends, and then we're gonna watch the Champions League game final tomorrow. But yeah, another busy week. Yeah, good, feeling good, ready to go again.
Because of this year back. The road that they go different, but I was looking back. Cause of yash, not for the sake of yash. I don't calculate and back. You make me emotional, but something must kill a man. Every Monday now your waist, every Tuesday not the same thing. Wednesday now hotel, Thursday my day still me. Friday na party, Saturday na holiday. Sunday praise the Lord, but every single day.
Might be too hot. Oh, that was a good workout at the gym. Did some legs, managed to do pull-ups. I did my record pull-ups actually, 11 pull-ups today. It's a shame that I didn't get to record that, but take my word for it. A bit of legs and then stair stepper at the end. Right now, time to get home, take a shower and get ready to go out.
Yeah, my money is big as your Nash. Bring your
Good morning, it's Sunday the 1st of June. I've got 2 clients to do this morning. I'm going to quickly do them and then I'm going to get on with the rest of the day, see where the day takes me. Rest of the day is free. I'm planning to go get some lunch, and yeah, let's see where the day takes me. I went gym yesterday after work, which was good. Am I going gym today? I don't know yet. I'm not 100% sure. I've got football. We're back playing football again tomorrow. That will be good fun. And then yeah, Monday starts again next week.
on that ass, she hit 5, that's that cash. I might spend 3, 4, 5 on the bag. She can't hop in the lane, but she bad. Splash all week, yeah, that for gas.
Good morning, it's Monday the 2nd of June. Feeling pretty sore today. I don't know why. I don't know what's happened. I didn't work out yesterday. But yeah, I'm alright. I think I'm gonna head to the gym now and then go get a workout done. Then head to the studio. My first client's at 11:30 a.m. and then I'm working till about 5 p.m. Yeah, should be all good. And then I've got football later tonight, 9 to 10. That should be good fun.
Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who? Yeah. OVO Sound 2025. Who's calling it?
Is it Stacy? Is it Becky? Is it Keisha? Is it Andy? Was it Danny? Is it Monty? Where's the function?
Where the function? Where the function? The way I feel right now, I feel like we need to be all alone. So if you just playing around, you need to tell your girl, take a fine home, and that's real. Stop teasing me, stop teasing me. I could change your life so easily. I keep begging you to stay, but you're leaving me. We got sticks in the club illegally. Got the whole 6 side, they believe in me. We got members east of the DVP. We got members west on the 401. We got a lock on the game, but there's more to come. You gotta pot that till the morning come. You want shots for the girls, they don't order some. Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who's calling it? Who?
We are done at the studio. It's currently quarter past 5. Nice and short day today. Started at 11:30. Finished just after 5 o'clock. So yeah, got football later at 9 p.m. So before that, I'm gonna go home, get some food, head to the gym just before football, warm up with some exercises, and then yeah, go play football tonight. Right.
Baby girl. Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your bestie? I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance.
Tuesday the 3rd of June. Not a great day here in London. Very wet, summer rain. I'm heading to the studio now. My first client's at 9 a.m. And yeah, and then I've got gaps in between, and then I'm in the studio till about 8 p.m. today.
You can see right through my love, ayy. I see your waist shrunk, my love, ayy. You got some bass in the trunk, my love, damn. How many in this club? Is it really just me, my love?
We are done. We are done at the studio. It's currently just 7 p.m. I'm done. Was another busy day at the studio. Started at 9 a.m. Had a few gaps in between. Went home, got some lunch, and now I'm finishing up at the studio. I'm gonna head to the gym now, get a workout done, and that should be the end of the day. All right, let's go to the gym.
I'ma ice both of y'all like Gretzky. I'ma at you like bless me. Hit the dance floor, get nasty, impress me.
Baby girl, let me see you do your dance, let me see you twirl. Shaking in the club with your homegirls. Take a pic for the gram, show the whole world. Yeah.
Is that your best?
Good morning, it's Wednesday the 4th of June. It's currently 9:23 a.m. I've got a football session at 9:30 a.m. I'm feeling quite sore from the gym yesterday. That was a good workout. I'm gonna do a football session first, and then I'm gonna come home, get changed, ready to go to the studio. And I'm working at the studio from 11 a.m. till about 8 p.m. So it's a late night today, as as there's Eid coming up on Friday, so I'm gonna do 2 late nights to fit everybody in. So yeah, let's get on with the day. Push, push. Okay, gym is done. Went home, did some work on my laptop, uploaded some videos into my YouTube channel. I'm now heading to the studio. My client's at 1 p.m. It's currently 20 to 1, so I'm making my way to the studio now to do his haircut. And then I'm there till about 8 p.m. today, so yeah, let's get on with it.
Pero queriendo volver a la última vez, ya los ojos te miré y contarte las cosas que no te conté. ¿Te parece a mi crush? Y tirarte la foto.
So yeah, I've just got these new shoes, QC. Oh my god, they feel so weird, but feels good at the same time. They feel so light. This should help me cut hair for the next 10 hours, or should last me a year. I'm super comfy. They made me taller as well a little bit, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, those are my new shoes for work, QC. I ordered them online, I did some research, so yeah, let's see how it goes. It's currently 10 past 10, and this is probably the latest I've finished in my studio as I can remember, I think. So yeah, I just finished my last client. Now tidying up, gonna head home, get some dinner, and yeah, I'm back in again tomorrow 9 a.m. So another early start, and I'm probably gonna finish about the same time tomorrow as well. So yeah, life of a private barber, it can get really busy sometimes, and you do have to work late, which is fine. I'm getting on with it, and yeah, all right, I'll see you guys tomorrow. It's Thursday the 5th of June, another horrible day here. It's raining, cloudy, yeah, horrible day. It's currently 8:48 a.m. My first client's at 9 a.m. So I'm just making my way to the studio now, and then get started. I've got gaps in between, but I'm probably going to finish at 10 p.m. again today, just like yesterday. But I've got Friday off because it's Eid, so hence why it's really busy today. Right, let's get on with today.
Cabrón, guía tú que estás caminando, yo estoy que choco. Estoy bien loco, estoy bien loco. Vamos a disfrutar que nunca se sabe si nos queda poco. Debí tirar más. Gente, los quiero con cojones, los amo. Gracias por estar aquí, de verdad. Para mí es bien importante que estén aquí. Cada uno de ustedes significa mucho para mí. Así que vamos para la foto, vengan para acá, métase todo el mundo, todo el corillo, vamos. Zumba. Ya Bernie tiene el nene y ya en la nena. Ya no estamos para la movie y las cadenas. Estamos para las cosas que valgan la pena. Ey, por el perreo, la salsa, la bomba y la plana. Chequéate la mía, ¿cómo es que suena?
Oh my god, it's currently 10 past 11 p.m. and I've just finished up at the studio. This is the latest I've ever finished in my career of cutting hair. I'm knackered, the studio's a mess, but I'm gonna leave it. I'm gonna tidy up tomorrow. I'm ready to go home, ready to go to sleep. Oh my god, what a crazy day. All good though. Thankful for it to be busy and being able to work and have the clients. But yeah, tomorrow's Eid, so gotta get up early. Not early, but yeah, get up on good time to go read Eid prayer. All right, see you guys tomorrow. Good morning, it's Friday the 6th of June. Hey, Eid Mubarak. I'm on my way to the mosque to do Eid prayer. I've got a few clients today still to do in the evening, but yeah, the first half of the day will be majority family oriented, family related. All right.